before daylight, but it's light enough to see to go outside now. Good morning, everyone. Let's not keep Morris waiting any longer. Like Don said, it's actually trying to mist out here right now. Here you go, bud. There you go. Good morning. Oh, you were wet laying on the... You were getting wet a little bit. Poor guy. Well, let me not get this other food wet, and I'll come back out and set it on the ground in a bit. Yeah, they weren't calling for rain that I'm aware of, and I don't really think it's going to amount to anything. Just a little cloud this morning over us. So I think we have to leave around 9:30, get to Clayton at 10:30. An hour would be the maximum amount of time it would take us, but we could get there as early as 35 minutes. It's so hard to know when you need to leave, but the procedure's at 11:30, so. Hi, Gray. Here you go. Good morning. Here you go. Hi. Well, we are on our way to the endoscopy center in Clayton. Remember, they moved us out of Cary over to Clayton. It's actually about another 10 minutes farther for us. Not the end of the world, but, and also a county over, as I said before. Don's hanging in there.
Yep.
I offered to drive. He said he
fine.
feels normal better this time than he did the last time when he asked me to drive on the way over. Obviously, I'll drive home, but...
Sure.
And, Robot wanted to take us basically into Raleigh and get on the Beltline instead of over past Michelle's house on Highway 42 to get there, because this location is east of us. So we're just letting the car go the fastest route, which is not the route we probably would have thought to take if we hadn't let the car decide. Yeah, I guess this is okay. This lane was added as part of the turnpike thing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm jealous. They had real rain over here. We did not get this much rain where we are. Don says this is the second time, maybe the third time we've been on this new stretch of 540. We've seen 2 cyber trucks today, one in Fuquay and one out here on the turnpike.
Yeah, I think it said that the tolls that have come over here was $2.40.
Getting up at 5:30, he'll do that to you. Yeah.
I'm halfway through my day now.
All right, we're here. I told Don the hard part was already done.
Yeah.
Didn't eat and survived the bathroom, so. Oh, look at the pretty tree.
Yeah.
That might be a blood good. It's tall, but it's compact. And it's not very wide. It's an upright. I think it's a blood good. Well, they must have started Don's procedure a little early. They didn't seem very crowded today because his procedure time was 11:30, but he was done. They called me back to the recovery at 11:40. So anyway, it's all good, and they don't want him to repeat for 7 years. Yeah. So. The guy did say he's removed a couple of small polyps that he wasn't worried about, and that's been the case for Don every time he's had this done. So this is at least time number 4, not counting the false start a couple weeks ago.
That's correct.
Yeah, something like that.
I'm a pro.
He's also very funny on propanol, just let me tell you.
Yeah, I like that Pokeball. That stuff's good.
He also likes permission to go home and not do a darn thing for the rest of the day except eat and watch TV.
That's right. Those ladies said don't do anything strenuous. Don't drive. Just,
I promise not to make him run the chainsaw today. Could it possibly be raining at our house now?
It's possible.
God, I hope so. We're home. And that stripe down there on the floor you might have heard. Don's getting nachos with leftover meatballs, and he's himself again.
That's right. I'm doing great. I'll be even better after I finish this.
Yeah, just don't. That's
Maybe me a small dish.
just a little,
Single
just a single serving
Yeah,
size.
single serving.
Maybe I'll have a mouthful or two.
Well, you better hurry.
This is what I'm going to put together this afternoon. Should be really cute. Some people thought it stayed together really well. Some people thought it was too flimsy. Guess we'll see. Also, guess it depends if you put it on a moving door or not. It's 617 pieces. It is new this year. So, it's 245. I'll probably get it done today. I figured out what I'm going to do on the back side, of this. It's going to be a spooky tree with some stuff, but I'm not doing it today. The first part built the very top where the loop is, where it hangs. Feels pretty darn sturdy to me at this point. I have no complaints about the construction. So bag 2 has me making 13 more wreath pieces and connecting them to these 3. So I guess it's going to be 16 segments total. It was fun. The right size for a, one-time afternoon project. And, maybe it'll come apart, but it seems pretty stable to me. A little after 5, and Don and I are out here for a little walk in this nice, pleasant weather. Nothing strenuous, but just a little walk.
Yeah, stretch legs.
We're home. I'm cooking another picanha roast. Just wanted to let you know that Johnny made it on the train up to Raleigh. Staying with a teammate because their plane leaves really early in the morning. So the teammate drives and is going to get Johnny to the airport. So far so good on the travel plans. He's feeling a little bit better. So that's good. And smooth flights tomorrow.